period. But y'all, tap into this hair. Like, I'm so proud of myself because I did this by myself for the first time. I mean, I have dyed hair before. I dyed my red hair, but that's easy. That was watercolor. But this is actually like dyeing hair. And I also did the roots. Peep the roots too. Yes, stop playing with me. Once I really get this shit down pat, I'm not booking no more hair appointments. You can kiss that goodbye, cause baby, I'm gonna be doing my own hair. Yeah, I ordered this hair from Iseehair company, and previously I ordered bundles from them, but this is my first time ordering a wig for them. This is 613, 20 inches, so comes like right here on me. So if I was to turn around, so you guys can see, this is how it would be. It like stops like almost by my butt. But yeah, so this wig is like I said, 20 inches and is 150 density. One thing that I don't like about this wig is how thin it looks. Like literally, this is the whole wig. Like this is all the wig. I mean, my friends told me it looked natural, but I'm really not feeling how thin it's looking, so I may cut it into a blunt cut. I may just leave it straight for a few weeks and then eventually cut into a blunt cut, because I don't like how thin it is. I don't really like my hair too thick, like on the thick side, but I like it thicker than this. So that's one con that I don't like. But other than that, like the hair doesn't shed as much. It does shed, but not like, you know, anything crazy. And also, oh, the parting space, I didn't forgot to mention that. That's 13 by 4. And I'll get close so you can see everything. This is my first time doing all that. So yes, the color came out exactly how I wanted it. So yeah, stay tuned if you guys would like to see me dye this hair. Also follow me on Instagram because I did post pictures. And also, like I always say, have more fashion videos coming because it's March Madness, so we going crazy. Like, I got a whole bunch of stuff in store for you guys, so please stay tuned for that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I thank you guys for all your support. Love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I started off by separating my hair in 3 even sections. I separated the frontal, and then I also tied the rest of the hair in the back. And then I dyed my roots with the color Mocha from the Adore brand. And then what you want to do is make sure you separate your frontal in smaller sections and apply the dye on top, below, and in front. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying what kind of beat is today. I need me to stop over them. I just decided to speed this part up in the video. It's just the same repetitiveness. So you just, like I said, want to apply the dye on top, below, and in the front. This was the end product after I finished dyeing the roots. Like I said, you just want to make sure your whole frontal is saturated in the front, below, and on top. You don't want to see any blonde streaks, so make sure it's fully coated. These were the 3 colors I used to dye my hair. It was dark blonde, golden blonde, and medium ash blonde from Revlon Color Silk brand. So I just mixed all 3 colors and the developers in a bowl. I know the bowl looked ratchet. Don't say nothing about the bowl, please. But I just mixed it all together, and then I started dyeing the hair. So what I did was section off my hair in the back in 4 sections. And the way I started off doing it took me a long time to do. So don't waste your time and use a dyeing brush. Just go ahead and put it on your hands and put it all over the hair. As you can see, I'm gonna get the dyeing brush and waste about 10 freaking minutes of my life. And you don't need to do all that. Just get that dye in your hand and put it all over the hair. And make sure you also use a rat tail comb so you can comb through the hair so all the hair is saturated with the dye and is no blonde streaks left. So you want to make sure the hair is fully coated with the dye by using the rat tail comb. Alright, y'all, this is how this color turned out. Of course, it's not going to look like this after I blow dry it. So, yeah, I'm just going to come back after I blow dry it. But right now, it's like about to be 6 in the morning because I waited to the last minute to do this. But, yeah, I did the roots, and here's the color. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it. This is after my install. This is how the color turned out after she flat ironed it. I will also link her Instagram down below so you can book with her. And these are the pictures that I took yesterday. Also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching, babes. See you guys in my next video. Bye.